Welcome back to the fourth holiday look using those LaColors holiday eyeshadow palettes. And this is the third flashy look using that beautiful greens eyeshadow palette. I done a cut crease. I am truly loving how these looks are coming out. I just adore this flashy palette. I hope you guys are enjoying the series. So to start, we always prime our eyelids, and I'm adding powder to catch fallout. We're going to be picking up the LaColors Flashy Eyeshadow Palette. And the first shade we're going to pick up on a nice fluffy blending brush is that green khaki shade. This shade is so pretty. Kind of unique to anything I've seen in LaColors palettes. We're going to be applying that in our crease area, blending it near the brow bone up into that area for our transition. And this shade will also help with the blending purposes, and we'll have a really nice fade in the end. And we're just going to work that in our crease until we have a wash of color there. I'm picking up that nice beautiful hunter green kind of teal shade, and that is going to be our secondary color for the crease. We're going to build that up with windshield wiper motions and kind of patting the shade in there to get maximum color payoff in the crease area. Really build upon our crease, and later we won't even see most of that shade. We just need to lay the groundwork down. I'm taking the blending brush with the green khaki shade on there, not picking up any additional color, and blending the edges of those shades together. Now it's time to get carving. Yes, we're going to be taking our Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer from Covergirl and a nice concealer brush. I'm going to be carving out my crease area with this concealer. Next, we're going to be taking the lightest shimmery shade on the bottom row, or the second row of the eyeshadow palette. This is a nice shimmery shade. It's almost like a silvery shade, but has green undertones to it. Kind of golden in a way too. It's a very unique kind of duochrome shade. So beautiful. So we're going to be applying that to our lid, dragging it and patting it, and also patting it in the inner corner. Next, we're picking up this kind of greenish brown shimmery shade, almost kind of bronzy, and I'm applying that to the outer corner of the lid, and I'm also going to blend that in with the lid shade just to add a little bit more dimension. Now next, we're taking the forest green in the eyeshadow palette, the last shade in the eyeshadow palette itself, and we're applying that in our outer corner, kind of doing a little bit of a V. I just love the added dimension and the end result of this. Now I'm applying the shades to my lower lash line, just the teal hunter green shade and the lightest lid shade we used, and I'm going to go back and reline my crease like I always do some more blending, and we're going to be adding the LaColors single eyeshadow in French Vanilla to our brow bone. We're using that as our highlight, so we're going to apply that and blend it down. So I dipped in one tiny little pounce in the green khaki shade, and I'm using that to blend the highlight shade with the crease colors, wiping away fallout. Now we're going to tightline using Milani Stay Put eyeliner. We're going to clean out the bottom waterline, and I'm using Jordana's 24-hour eyeshadow pencil in Continious Almond, just to brighten up the eye and not close it off anymore. I just love the nude liner in the waterline. And I'm doing a thin strip of liquid eyeliner. We're using the Maybelline Curvitude mascara. I do really enjoy this mascara. Length and separation is what this mascara does. I really like it. And there's the finished look. It's so pretty. It came out so great. And for lips, we're using the Maybelline Lipstick 115 in Pink Quartz. This lipstick's kind of like a pinky mauve shade with golden shimmers, and it's just really pretty. I thought it went well with this look. So, and we're using the Hard Candy Matte setting. Well, now we have our finished look. Our makeup is set. Our eyes are done. It's so beautiful. beautiful. Hope you guys are enjoying this holiday series using LaColors eyeshadow palette. Stay tuned for more looks to come. Check the description box for additional LaColors links and a list of products. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, like the video if you haven't already, and thank you guys always for watching.